6 emergency exits on the upper deck. If needed, lights at floor level will direct you to the nearest exit. Please remove high-heeled shoes and leave all baggage behind if evacuating. The safety card in your seat pocket shows the life jacket location under or to the side of your seat. When instructed, remove it from the container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft by pulling the 2 red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece and use the whistle to attract attention. In the unlikely event of a landing on water, cabin crew will distribute life jackets for infants and children. Your cabin crew will now pass through the cabin carrying out the final safety check. Enjoy your flight with Emirates. Tons of fun stuff you can do on today's flight with ICE. With new movies added all the time from Hollywood, Bollywood and beyond, as well as hit TV shows and box sets. There's even live TV and sport on most flights. Enjoy our huge music selection with amazing playlists, rock, pop, classical and lots more entertainment for you to explore. Challenge yourself with one of our fun games. Or play against someone else and prove you're the champ. Switch to the air show channel to know exactly where you are in the world. Find out what's below, how fast we're flying and when we'll arrive. Or simply enjoy the view with our external cameras. Stay up to date with live TV and news headlines updated throughout the flight. Or connect via mobile data roaming or great value Wi-Fi and share your journey with family and friends. Pick up Emirates Red magazine for brands including Apple, Creed and Bodicea the Victorious. Join Emirates Skywards to enjoy the many benefits of our frequent flyer program. Ask your crew how to join now and earn miles for this flight. Donate to the Emirates Airline Foundation using the envelope, credit or debit cards. Just ask one of your cabin crew. Welcome on board.